Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. So constantly we're trying to keep you guys up to date as to what's going to happen with your driving test, your theory test, your driving lessons. As of now, we cannot be taking any driving lessons, unfortunately. So what's changed so far? Let's see what's happening in terms of the government's website, what we're doing proactively, what we can do proactively in order to get ourselves the driving license. In our last video, we talked about this government petition that's going on, or a petition that we're going to lobby towards the government, which is to extend, firstly, what's this one? Exempt driving tests and lessons from COVID-19. So that was the wrong tab I opened up. This is the one I was looking for. Extend driving theory test certificate expiring in 2020 by 12 months. So proactively we can sign up to this petition in order to extend the theory test, because as an instructor I have to be honest, I feel that this is slightly unfair. All those students who had their theory test running out and were gonna do the driving test, had a driving test booked, now they can't do the test and it's running out. You can see as well here, if you look at this figure, like, it's going up constantly, so people are signing up to it, albeit quite slowly. So we need to get up to 100,000 signatures in order for it to be debated in Parliament. So that's one thing we can do proactively in order to help us in our driving test and in order to get that driving license. And if you go back to the original tab, the exempt driving tests and lessons from COVID-19 restriction, again about 80,000 signatures. This one, again, it's not a lot of people signing up to it, so either people are not too bothered, or they've just given up mentally, who knows. So if you guys want your driving test to be taking place and not be under the restrictions, just like any school or colleges, sign up to this petition again, and hopefully you guys can start your driving lessons. There's one more, I think. Here we go. Direct DVSA to fully reopen all driving test centers and release more dates. So this might be a fairly new one. It's only got 2,000 signatures. So the main thing is, guys, I would say, in order for you guys to get back to driving lessons and driving tests and even your theory tests, or if you want to help your theory tests out by extending it if it's expiring, definitely sign up to these petitions. Here we go again, 80,000. Not this one. So here we go, 23,296. So it is going up again, but as I said, very slow pace. Don't forget, you can always go through our videos, how to pass your driving test, how to do your theory test. I think we've got one here. You got a theory test section, has a perception. So go through these videos while you're in lockdown, and as soon as lockdown eases off, at least you'll be prepared for your driving test or your theory test. So as of now, guys, the only thing you can really do is sign that petition, and hopefully at least a theory test can be extended, and we can resume our driving lessons and our driving tests. Thank you for watching again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We're on every single social media, Facebook, Instagram. So add us on there and you'll find more information on those social media platforms. Thank you again.